Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight's fireworks spectacular contains loud noises, quick flashing strobe effects, and intense fire. Do not be alarmed by these effects, as they are deliberate and safe for the viewing audience. A special thanks goes to the team at Explosive Touch Enterprises of Vero Beach, Florida, under the direction of Tanner Scott and E.J. Webber, who have been working on this show design for the past 6 months to bring their passion for fireworks and special effects to you here in Stuart. Tonight's fireworks spectacular by Explosive Touch Enterprises will begin momentarily. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2025 Stuart Airshow. We remember with deep respect and gratitude two legends of the skies, Rob Holland and Gene McNeely. Their unmatched talent, fearless innovation, and a deep passion for flight, paired with steadfast wisdom, mentorship, and a love for aviation, their legacy continues to soar, a lasting mark that reaches far beyond the cockpit. Together, their contributions shaped the airshow community and touched countless lives. Though they may no longer soar among us, their spirit continues to fly high in every pilot they've influenced, in every heart they inspired. This is from us to you.
I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars at 6 so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart, left the rest in peace.
Blue skies, Rob and Jean. You will never be forgotten.
Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see
This Veterans Day weekend, we aim to honor those veterans in attendance and around the world.
From the fields of Indiana to the swamps of Louisiana to the golden coast of California, Uncle Sam's the only family he's got. His purple heartbeat won't stop, and his 18th birthday was the day he was born. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, lay down his life. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, for these stars and stripes. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, stand on the front line. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, pay the ultimate price.
Yeah, he went out, 21 guns blazing, and that's one hell of a name. That's the only way to go, fighting the good fight till the good Lord calls you home. So beware, my friend, till I see you again. Yeah, this is our last goodbye. It's a hell of a day, man. Stars and stripes,
what we believe. And there's a bell that still echoes the price that it costs to be free. I pledge allegiance to this flag, and if that bothers you, well, that's too bad. But if you got pride and you're proud you do, hey, we could use some more like me and you. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. He loves his wife and she's that wife that decorates on the 4th of July, but says every day is Independence Day. She's golden rule, teaches school. Some folks say it isn't cool, but she says the pledge of allegiance anyway. He's got the red, white, blue flying high on the farm. Semper Fi tattooed on his left arm. Spent a little more in the store for a tag in the back it says USA. He won't buy nothing that he can't fix with WD-40 and a Craftsman wrench. He ain't prejudice, he's just made in America. Born in a heartland, raised up a family, King James and Uncle Sam. He's got the red, white, blue flying high on the farm. Semper Fi tattooed on his left arm. Spent a little more in the store for a tag in the back it says USA. Won't buy nothing that he can't fix with WD-40 and a Craftsman wrench. He ain't prejudiced, he's just made in America. Made in America. Made in America. Oh, justice will be served and the battle will rage. This big dog will fight when you rattle his cage. And you'll be sorry that you mess with the US of A. 'Cause we'll put a boot in your ass, it's the American way. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list. And the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist. And the eagle will fly, and it's gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start ringing her bell. And it'll feel like the whole wide world is raining down on you. All brought to you courtesy of the red, white, and blue. Of the red, white, and blue. Of my red, white, and
blue. Let's go, Stuart. This was the Friday Night Fireworks Spectacular.